Hey friends, welcome to another grocery haul. This one was $140 and some cents. I have a lot of new friends here, so I may say a couple things that some of my old friends might find repetitive, but I want to explain to my new friends how I do things. First of all, I've been doing my grocery hauls over here on the counter for quite a while now. I used to set them up on my table, but I've got these little short alligator arms and I just couldn't reach everything. So this is working out so much better. So we will just hop right in to this week's grocery haul. First of all, this was a sub. I ordered a Kroger brand Rising Crust cheese pizza. This is fine. We'll take a Red Baron. We love him too. I got one little Totino's to replace what we've eaten. And you will see that a lot in here. You will see where I buy cans of things that maybe you won't see them in a recipe this week, or I've already used something like that. But the way that I keep my pantry rotating is every time I use a staple item or something that I know I use a lot, like these things right here, I go ahead and put it on my grocery list and I replace it. That way I always have the staple items for meals that I can throw together. So again, Totino's, that's a staple item here. We got to have a few of those in the pantry at all times. I got these. I don't always splurge on specialty ice cream things. These were a weekly digital coupon this week. And I'm sorry, by the time you see this, the ads change. I post grocery hauls on Wednesdays, and that's when Kroger changes their sales. But I think these were $3.97. Anything that I got a really good special deal on, I'll put a price down below so you'll see it. And on Kroger's weekly digital coupons, you can use them up to 5 times in one trip. I restrained myself and I just got one, and it's got nuts on it. I thought it may not, so Callie won't be able to eat these, but sorry. I did get Callie a couple of these to put in the freezer to take for lunch so she doesn't have to get out. Got a loaf of this garlic bread. We love this right here. Cheese singles. We eat lots of grilled cheeses and sandwiches with cheese and stuff for lunch. Got a container of sour cream and our favorite little French onion dip. All these cheeses, the slices, 6 ounce, the blocks, I think these are 8 ounce, and the 2-cup cheese packs were $1.77. So I got 5 of those. I got some mozzarella slices, some Colby Jack in a block, and I just cut up and make my own cheese cubes out of that. I got a Colby Jack shred, Monterey Jack shred, and a couple of mild cheddars. Those you can just use for anything. Got a big container of the Sunny D Smooth. We love that. I got some Pillsbury pizza crust. This was on sale as cheap as Kroger brand this week. And I have a fun little recipe we're making on a snowy day here with that. Let's see. I got us a big pack of Mott's. We have not had fruit snacks in a while. They have been out of stock. And these Mott's, we're just picky. We love Mott's. They're our favorite. We also love Aldi's, but they have been out. I just bit the bullet. Really, we're grown women in this house. My youngest is 17, but we are very finicky and we love fruit snacks. So I bit the bullet. I got us this 40-pack of Mott's fruit snacks for me and the girls to have for snacking. Got a box of macaroni and cheese. I got pepperoni. Of course, this was a sub. You know I would buy store brand. Got some more garlic. A couple packs of white chicken chili seasoning from McCormick's. By the time you see this haul, you'll see my chili. I can't wait to try white chicken chili. Got some bacon pieces, some taco seasoning, a big can of ragu, old world style, a couple of cans of cream of mushroom soup, a couple of cans of corn, a couple of cans of the peeled petite diced tomatoes. Here's something you never see me buy because I don't like them. Now, this is one time you're going to see me being wasteful because this is for a cute little recipe that I'm doing. We'll see. I'll try them again. Maybe my tastes have changed. Maybe I'll like them now. We'll see. You never know till you try. I got a can of Kroger Rotel, black beans, green beans, pinto beans. We got the trifecta of beans there. A water mixer, berry pomegranate for my daughter. Lunchbox staples. A couple of these cheese dips and cracker sticks. We really like the pretzel ones, but I'm having trouble finding those, but these are good too. Some ding dongs for my husband, candy bar, granola bars, and not so bad for you granola bars. Fudge rounds. Bought another pack of baggies. Anytime I open my last box, I go ahead and buy a new one. I got some Kleenex, some bathroom cups for brushing teeth. I got 2 things of this Jergens. I actually ordered the bigger one that had a pump. There was a coupon on it. I don't know if the coupon applied to my substitution. They had to put in 2 of these smaller ones. But honestly, I like this because, you know, a pump is nice, but you can't get to the very bottom. You have to take it out and shake the end of your product out anyway. So I really like this better, and I can take one to work because, friends, your girl's getting crusty. This winter weather is hard on an old lady. Got these 3 Dial body washes. I really like the Sam's Club moisturizing body wash, but one of my daughters is very sensitive to that, so I try to keep something clean and gentle, and this was a weekly digital deal on these, and I also got my husband one. The 88-cent toothpaste is back, so I grabbed a couple of those since that sale cycled back around. I just always keep some baby wipes because everybody likes to be nice and fresh. I got a couple of bags of these family size chips to have with our dip. These big party size Doritos was on sale, so I went ahead and got them. I put those in my husband's lunch every week because Doritos travel well in lunches. Same thing with veggie straws and veggie chips. These are delicious. They're better for you. My kids have always loved these, and they just hold up in lunches. I got another bag of this shredded green leaf lettuce. I'm getting spoiled. I love this stuff. It never has a funny taste. It holds up very well. Much better. Look how good it looks. Much better than the regular lettuce. But you know, my little salad spinner's missing me. I'm just going to have to get me a regular head of lettuce next week and spin it. I'm missing using that thing. I got a crown of broccoli, a really nice looking cucumber, an orange bell pepper. And look how pretty these strawberries look. And the price was coming down. Look how pretty those are. I think these were maybe 3 for $5. And I was so tickled when I got home because look, these are from Winter Haven, Florida. I love it when the Florida strawberries come. Maybe it's not so. Maybe it's just in my mind. But I just think the Florida strawberries taste better. I love them. No grocery hauls complete without a loaf of honey wheat sandwich bread and eggs. We're an egg-eating family. Here are our drinks this week. Got a big case of waters, a thing of Cola-O, and Dr. K.O., which is like Kroger's brand of Coke Zero and Dr. Pepper Zero. Didn't need any Diet Mountain Dews this week. I had stocked up with 4 a couple weeks back, and I never got them out of the trunk, and my husband stopped and got himself more because he thought we were out. So we got plenty for now. Friends, this is what we've got. $140 and some cents. I hope that you've enjoyed this grocery haul. Let me know in the comments what you bought at the store this week that was new and exciting, or some new recipe that you're going to try. I love to hear from you. And I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. It is great to have you here. Be sure and introduce yourself in the comments. And to those of you who have been here for a while, you know I love and appreciate you, and I always want to hear from you in the comments. So until next week,
Don't forget, I'm sending you love, as always, from my kitchen.